Hello and welcome as we continue our look at the groupings of consonants. So number 2, we have affricatives. Affricatives are basically two in English phonology. They are the ch and the j sound. The ch and the j sound. Now the ch sound appears in words such as choice, chase, richer, nature. Again, choice, chase, richer, nature. The j sounds appear in words such as John, midget, soldier, and age. Number 3, fricatives. Fricatives include sounds such as z, j, sh, and h. Now, words that have the f includes fight, physics, enough, photo. Words that have the v sound include voice, vanity, silver, ever. Words that have the f sound includes method, thimble, mouth, think. Again, method, thimble, mouth, think. Words that have the v sound includes dough, bathe, mother, day, worthy. Again, dough, bathe, mother, day, worthy. Words that have the sounds include peace, seal, seize, escape. Again, peace, seal, seize, escape. Words that have the z sound include zoo, buzz, rose, bus, reason. Again, zoo, buzz, rose, bus, reason. Words that have the z, j sounds include measure, pleasure, usual, and vision. Words that have the sh sounds include shoe, machine, schedule, and nation. Shoe, machine, schedule, and nation. And finally, the h sound. Now, words that have the h sounds include heart, harm, behind, perhaps, and hedge. Now, please note concerning this particular sound. This particular sound is influenced by the type of vowel sounds that comes after it. So, in the case of the first one, which is heart, it's the vowel sound which is represented by the ha after it influences the sound of the H. So please note that H, as you have it as a sound, is largely dependent on the vowel sounds that comes after it. In our next video, we'll be looking at the last two groupings of consonant sounds. Thank you.